All right, welcome to the new project. This is my nephew's 2006 Chrysler PT Cruiser. This is his first vehicle. As you can see, he's got his work cut out for him, and he is not a mechanic, neither am I. So what we're going to start with, or he's going to start with today, are these beautiful rocker panels. I'm going to attempt to show him as best as I can, sorry for my shaking, how to remove the waste material and have it prepared for when he's ready to do stuff in it. So we're going to jack it up now and get him all ready for it. Okay, let's get the jack stands there, please. Let's get the jack stands under this so this is safe. Okay, now. Don't do it, it hurts. Okay, when that comes down, that should be good. And okay, where's the best place to put this one? Most likely on there. Okay, now Shandon. You know how to let down that jack?
Yeah, just twist it the other direction.
Okay. Slowly. Don't go crazy on it. Just let it down real slow. See how it's sinking down?
Yeah, because the jack's being let go.
Yeah. We'll just hold it there. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, that's on there real good. And you'll have to learn how to blip. Okay. Take her out. Okay, that's good. Yep. Just yank it out. Now, do the old shake test. There you go. Okay, now, what we'll do is we'll mark off, come on into view, we'll mark off where it'd be a good idea, because, yeah, it's pretty weak, but it's strong right there. And you want to get into the, watch this thing not work. Does this work?
Barely. I don't think it's the right color.
It's not working at all. So, we find out where the best metal is. Like, see, this is
Garbage.
really yucky, to put it the best. And the crack of it is coming to about there.
So about an inch past, I'd think.
So, let's see how far past it goes. So, on the back part, we're going to most likely go to the very edge here. Okay? So, we'll most likely want to cut. And when you cut it, you're going to cut it straight down, and then you're going to cut it all along there, okay?
And keep this
Keep
back
that
part, even though it's
we're gonna
half
get
rusted off.
Yeah, you're gonna grind off that. Gonna grind off this lip so that that junk metal is not on there. And then
It's more of a powder than a metal at this point.
yeah, exactly. And even though that's rusty right there, like see, you're gonna have to cut it off.
Practically need to just replace the whole panel.
That's what we're pretty much doing. Okay, so you just cut it roughly along. You're going to want to be straighter than I am. A whole lot straighter than I am. Because you're going to want to leave enough lip.
It's good till about here.
You're going to want to leave yourself enough lip here so that you can rivet.
Yeah.
Like we might just try going inside the door. Okay, no.
It's good till about right here.
Let's look underneath. Okay.
Never mind.
You sure about that? Well, you see, they're going to do this when they're checking for the safety. Okay. So it's actually good to about here. So. Because you're not going to want to leave any of that rust in there.
I know.
okay? Because if you leave rust in there, then it's going to come back, okay?
I know.
So, guess what you're going to be doing now?
Grinding?
Okay. All right. So just remember, slide that button up. Okay. Now you can let go of the button. Now grab with both hands sturdy and just try it a little bit. Okay. See, it's shooting the sparks down, so you're good. And you'll feel it once it goes through. Okay. Now work your way up. A little higher. Okay? Now work your way down on the line to the ridge, okay? Hold on to it tight. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, you might want to get down further. Hold on to it tight. Good man.
I think that's it where we got to the mark.
No, we're not right at the mark. No, right to this.
Okay.
Okay? Put back inside your cut. Let your own cut guide you.
Ow.
Yeah, it's gonna happen, believe me. Okay. Okay.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back.
Oh yeah, I see it. Okay. Grind it all off flat. And take off as much of this junk rust as that's on there, okay? We're gonna change discs for that, okay? And then clean up all these edges so that they're semi-smooth. They don't have to be perfect, but they can be at least semi-smooth. Like this, see how this has got a double cut mark here?
Yeah. Well,
You're gonna wanna grind that part off. Grind it all nice for it to be smooth for the panel to go against. Like here, you got a little close, so we might have to really come to the very edge for that, okay? But that's not really a big deal. Well, like I said, with the grinder now, you're gonna want to clean up all this shit under here because you'll want that panel to have something. You're gonna want to have something semi-flat to fasten it to. See these ridges? It's gonna take a lot of gut grinding. Believe me, it's a lot of grinding. Okay. Might even make this into a two-piecer.
We might have to.
Okay, but grind all of this until it's presentable, okay? Hey there guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And there's going to be more videos to come on the progress of the PT Cruiser, as well as the progress of how my nephew's doing and learning all the tricks of the trade. Hopefully he does better at it than I did. If you could please leave a like and subscribe, I'd greatly appreciate it and kind of help the channel grow. And have a nice day and keep grinding.